Hi all, welcome back to the channel Go Car India. I'm your host Rohit, and today we are going to talk about an exciting launch from the house of Hyundai, and that is the all-new Hyundai Venue Night Edition. The night steals the show. Hyundai Venue Night Edition. Encapsulating the enigmatic allure of color black, Venue Night Edition evokes an exclusive charm that sets it apart from the other SUVs. With its proportions and bold front grille and contemporary road presence, Venue Night Edition is here to deliver an experience like never before. Hyundai Venue Night Edition offers 23 unique features and makes it stand out. Now we are going to discuss the 23 unique features. As you can see on the images here, on the exteriors, first thing that it gets is black painted grille with Hyundai logo. Next is brass colored front and rear bumper inserts, which looks really amazing. After that you get brass colored inserts in the front wheel. Again, that is also adding a lot of character to the car. Brass colored roof rails inserts. Next it gets dark chrome rear Hyundai logo and Venue emblem, Night Edition emblem, black painted roof rails, shark fin antennas and ORVMs. Again, these are also adding a lot of character over here. Red front brake calipers. Yeah friends, you get those red colored brake calipers which looks really ultimate amazing with this new paint scheme. Next you get black painted alloy wheels and wheel covers. Next you're going to get the black front and rear skid plates. So everything over here, if you look at it at once, it is totally black and black colored body door handles. In the interiors, as discussed, we get all black interiors with brass colored inserts, exclusive black seats with brass colored highlights, dashcam with dual camera, sporty metal pedals. Then you get IRVM as well, that is electrochromatic IRVM, then 3D design mats. So all these things add a lot of character in the interiors. It gets all exclusive black seats upholstery with brass highlights, which looks really ultimate and amazing. Hyundai Venue Night Edition is available with 1.2 liter Kappa Petrol engine with manual transmission for the SX and the S optional variants, as well as it is available with 1 liter turbo GDi engine with 6-speed manual transmission and 7-speed DCT gearbox for the SX optional variant. So now let us talk about its main thing, that is its price. So you all will be wondering what is the price going to be for it, right? So it is going to start at just 9,99,990 rupees and goes up till 13,48,100 rupees depending on the variants. It starts at S optional variant with 1.2 liter Kappa Petrol and goes up till SX optional DCT dual tone in 1 liter turbo petrol. So these are going to be the range for it. Starts at rupees 10 lakh, goes up till 13,48,100. And friends, this particular night edition is going to come in different colors. So you're going to get 4 monotone colors and 1 dual tone color. So like what you see right now, this ABC black, Atlas white, Titan grey, fiery red and fiery red with black. So these are going to be the color options that you're going to get in this particular night edition variant. So right here then folks, this is how the night steals the show. So this was the new launch from the house of Hyundai, the all-new Venue Night Edition. I hope you don't like this quick fiery video. If you don't like this video, definitely like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for such more automotive updates. I'm your host Rohit. Until next time, take care, drive safe, be responsible. Peace, bye.